Undoubtedly, Likee stands as a popular app, offering features to share videos, promote brands, earn as an influencer, and host live streams. However, privacy concerns arise as not everyone prefers sharing personal information for registration. Hence, the common query arises, can I register on Likee without providing a phone number? In this article, we address this question and provide guidance through Likee's registration procedure. How does MobileSMS.io work? Follow these steps to make an account on Likee using MobileSMS.io. Launch Likee on your phone and click Sign Up with Phone. Then open MobileSMS.io and select the country of the phone number you want to use. Choosing the USA is usually the more convenient option. Next, you'll be asked to choose the app you want to use the real SIM card number for. In this case, it will be Likee. Once the software generates the real SIM card number, input it into Likee's sign-up form. You'll soon receive a code on the generated phone number to type into Likee and complete the verification process. So, as you can see, using our software is a piece of cake. You can also use MobileSMS.io to create Instagram or anonymous Gmail accounts. Now that you have the answer to whether you can create a Likee account without a phone number, why wait? Waste no more time and dive into the fun on Likee. Plus, explore other platforms with MobileSMS.io, the top-rated disposable number provider. With us, enjoy accessing numerous popular apps worry-free, safeguarding your privacy at every step.